How to log out from your MetaTrader account on PC. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily log out from your MetaTrader account on your PC. So if you have been using MetaTrader application on your PC, simply open it, make sure you have successfully logged into your account, and let me just show you by logging in. So as you can see, I haven't logged into my account, so let me just enter my password and log into my account. So once I enter password, I simply have to log in. As you can see, I am logged in as my account with my name. So to log in, what you can do is simply click on this profile icon over here, and you'll be seeing this logout option. Just click on it, and then you'll be successfully logged out from your account. And once you do that, you'll be successfully logged out from your account. And that is it for today, guys. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.